Months of protests in Hong Kong take a major toll on the city's economy, with no end in sight. Hong Kong Chief Executive Carrie Lam says the situation is more severe compared to the 2003 SARS outbreak that paralyzed the city, or even the 2008 financial crisis. The private sector saw double-digit percentage drops in hotel occupancy rates. Group tour bookings from the short-haul market plunged up to 50%. Even Hong Kong's carrier Cathay Pacific was forced to cancel flights during a general strike that caused chaos in the city. The said airline also warns its staff they could be fired if they support or participate in the illegal protests. All flights in and out of Hong Kong are canceled Monday, August 12, as thousands of pro-democracy protesters flood the city's airport to denounce police violence. These include several flights to and from the Philippines. The abrupt shutdown at one of the world's busiest hubs came as the Chinese government denounced some of the violent demonstrations as terrorism. Authorities say more than 5,000 protesters descend on Hong Kong airport, carrying placards and chanting slogans denouncing police violence. Over the weekend, police fired tear gas into the ranks of protesters gathered at subway stations in what they call hit-and-run rallies, where protesters split up into groups to spread quickly across the city and block roads. This is the 10th consecutive weekend protesters took to the streets in a movement which began over opposition to the controversial China extradition bill.